Today we are going to animate using constraints. Before constraints, let's talk about parenting. The parenting is the first step. So what is parenting? It is normal child parent relation. So let's assume this cube is here child of cone. The cone can become a parent. So how to do that? You need to select child, then parent, and press P. Child, parent, P. What happens if you select the child? Nothing happens. If you select the parents, child will act as the parent acts. It's simple. If I rotate the parent, child will rotate, but if I rotate the child, nothing happens to the parent. So this is normal child parenting. Again I select this child and make it now all rotate, so both are the child of this cone. So in normal child parenting you can have multiple childs but only one parent, but in constraint you can have both way, multiple parents and multiple childs. There is another demerit of normal child parenting, that you can't animate a normal child parent relation. So how to parent? If I select child and press shift P, it will unparent. Okay, so if I want to animate it, there is no option to animate that. So to animate, we need to use constraints. So let's start constraints. I have a scene set up here, so let's play. So you can see this is hovering over here and the ball wants to go to the other side. So I just animate the ball basic, a jump, but I want to ball stay with this. Okay, let's see if I animate the ball manually, it won't go properly or it will start sliding. It will be a lot of work, like it is still sliding. So it's not easy to, you see, you can't do it. So what comes next is constraint. So we constrain this ball with this platform and we'll animate it until it jumps back or out of the platform. So the animation is done. So let's see when it hits the platform. So at 245 frame it hits the platform. So we select the parent first and then the child. What is parent here? The platform. The ball supposed to follow the platform. So let's select the parent, then child. Go to animation tab. So there is constraint. Click to constraint and there is first option parent. Go to the option box, edit, reset everything. Make sure everything is reset and then make sure your selection is first parent then child for constraint. Apply. As soon as I apply, there are some green things come over the ball and there is a blend parent option. It will only appear if you already have keys on your object or whoever is. If you don't have any keys and you parent first, you won't get this option. Then you can't animate it. So you make sure you have to keys your object first, then add constraint. In that case it won't animate. Now the ball is completely following the platform. It's not animating anymore after applying the parenting. Don't panic. It's okay. It's natural. Once we animate it, everything will get back to normal. So 245 is the frame when it touches the ground. We know it will be touching the ground from 245 onwards and it won't be with the platform before that. This is our key to animate. So what to animate? We need to animate the blend parent 1 from 0. The 0 means it won't follow the platform. Let's set it to 0. then it's not following the platform, and we get our animation back. And when we set it to 1, it's following the platform. Animation is gone. So what we need to do, we need to animate from 0 to 1. So 0 where? Till 244, where the ball is animating. Let's set it 0. So till 244 it will be 0, and 245 it will be 1. It's very easy. All we need to do, where it will be 0, it will be 0 by 244. Right click on blend parent and key selected. Okay, and then go to 245 and then set the value 1. Let's see now. It switches to 1 in 244 to 245, and then it just starts following the platform. Same we need to do next. Let's say we want to make it jump out of the platform after 332. So what we do, we make it stick till 332. So we key selected till 332. So what we need the value from 245 to 332 to be 1. 1 means it will follow the platform, and then from this point we want it to not follow the platform. We put it 0. As soon as we put it 0, it took the older value where it was. So what we need to animate. So let's do it the other way. First delete this key. We got the ball back. We want it to be unfollow it from 333. So we need to key it. If your blend parent is selected, you're going to press S and you're going to only key your blend parent, not this attributes. So make sure nothing is selected. So you key everything at 333. Now the ball is keys at 333. If I remove blend parent, the ball will stay here. As soon as I set it to 0, the ball doesn't goes back because now it's taking the key, but I just press by pressing S. So make sure you press S first. None of the attributes are selected. Then you will get your ball right where you need it. So what we need here at 333, we want it to be jumping. So let's roughly animate ahead, and let's see. So it's not following the platform anymore. So let's quickly animate ahead. We'll add some squash before it, so it comes at anticipation. We added constraint right at where it hit the platform, and we remove constraint right where we wanted to remove it, just from this blend parent option. If you don't have this option, somehow it's not appearing here, you can animate from here just by clicking key selected, and as soon as I make it 0, it removes the constraint. So we're not doing that. So that's it for guide today. We'll see you again.